on YouTube? It's your girl Shantelle Lace, and I'm coming at you with a different type of video. Yes, I got my Allure Beauty box right here, but I'm kind of like, really? So, to hear my thoughts and everything on this Allure Beauty box subscription and to see what I got, I'm not even thrilled about it. Stay tuned. Welcome back. I'm glad you stayed tuned. Yes, so I've always I love getting beauty subscriptions. I love getting beauty subscription boxes. I signed up for this Allure Beauty box back, I believe it was like March or April. I can't really remember back then. And it seems like I'm always getting my box super late. But this time I'm just really like annoyed and irritated. So as you can see, I do not have the new type of box because this is my August Allure Beauty box. Now, mind you, October's only a few days away and I haven't got my September, and I'm tired of getting my box very, very late. And I see other people's getting theirs on time. I'm going to contact Allure Beauty to see if we could fix this situation, but if not, I will be canceling this subscription box. I love the items that I do get, but the only reason why I would cancel it is because I'm not getting it in time. I'm watching all my other fellow YouTube friends open their boxes and they got all their stuff. They're getting their boxes on time. Why am I getting mine an entire month behind? Like literally. This, not even an entire month behind, because it's almost 2 months. Because September is pretty much over with, and I'm just getting my August box. Come on now. But yes, I'm going to open this up and see what I got inside, because mind you, I do love skincare and beauty products and makeup. So I want to see what I got. But I am kind of disappointed because I've always been getting it late, and it seems it's been getting later and later. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be canceling. But this is my box. Just opened her up. And voila! This is the book that it comes with, to let you know all the little products you got and what they picked out, and has like, a little blurb about the items. So, okay, I did get a few more items than expected. It looks like there is, what? 3, 6, 7 items. I don't know. Usually I think it's only 4 or 5, so I don't know, maybe they're trying to make up for that. I don't know. But first up in this box, I have, this is by Cargo Cosmetics. It's the Essential Lip Color. So this is the box. It's super cute. I like the packaging. And this is in Palm Beach. So let's open her and see what the color looks like. Palm Beach, right? Ooh, and a nice silver case. Ooh, ooh, that is cute. I don't know if that color would look good on me or not, so we're gonna, ooh, she does. This pink looks very, very nice on me. I'm definitely gonna try this out. Pop in Palm Beach. Okay, this is nice. Oh, I was talking all that shit, but still, I'm getting my box super late, y'all, okay? All right, so next up, this is by Erno Laszlo, New York. It's a multitask eye serum mask. That is nice. And they're like, it feels like little pads that you just set over your eyes. That's nice. I'm definitely going to try that out because I'm going to have me a little relaxing spa day, my birthday, in like a week, so I'm excited about that. All right, next up we got, this is by Benefit Cosmetics. It's called They're Real, and it is a mascara that is supposed to give you like a long wear result, a lift, and make them look super real and natural. So this is the box. Sorry, this is the box. And this is the photo showing the before and after. So, I'm going to try that out and see how it does. Because on days that I do natural makeup looks, I don't wear lashes. But I definitely pack on that mascara, boo. Okay. And then, next up, this is by Primera. It's the Alpine Berry Water Cream. Hydrate and glow. Now this definitely looks like a little sample size because it's 0.16 ounces. But this is her. So let's see. Definitely got some nice items so far. So, but this is definitely small. Like, you're probably only going to get 2 to 3 uses out of this. This is definitely a sample. Let me open her. And there you go. That's the little cream. And then look at the bottom. See, the bottom doesn't even go all the way down. So it's very small, you guys. But that's nice to try out. And then next up, this is by Nerea. And it's a triple action eye cream with mulberry root and ginseng native to China. Okay, so this is an eye cream. Oh, and I like the size of this. So let's open her up and see. Ooh, look at this. This is a nice size. Let's see. Ooh, look at that applicator. She's a nice little circle. Nice. Let's put some on my arm. Ooh, yep, she's just some cream. Ooh, I love this like circle-y tool. Ooh, it feels really nice. Oh yeah, I'm definitely gonna be trying that out tonight, and it feels really good on the skin. Got some nice products, okay? So hopefully they can correct the issue so I don't have to cancel my box. So this is by Laretzi Cosmetics. It's a liquid balm, multi-purpose liquid illuminator. So it says multi-purpose, so you can use it as a balm, and I'm thinking a highlighter because it says illuminator. And I got the shade Topaz. It is. Oh, look how pretty. Oh my gosh. That is beautiful, you guys. Oh my gosh. I got lipstick on already, but yes, that can be like a topper balm, or you can use it as a highlight. That is nice. Let me touch it with my finger and feel the formula. Oh yeah, she dries down, boo. It's like just like a highlighter, like a liquid highlighter. Look at that. Nice. I spreaded it out so y'all can see. I'm going to use this as a highlighter because y'all know I love highlighter. And then last but not least, this is the Mini Makeup Erase. Erase all makeup with just water, equal to 3,600 makeup wipes. Okay. This looks pretty interesting, and the box is cute. I'm like, how is this like, I don't know what it is. So we're going to open it up. I think it's like a washcloth. Oh, yes, it is. And it's a little mini one. Look at that. Because I've seen some big ones. I'm excited to try this. It's just like a microfiber. And I have a microfiber. I buy microfiber washcloths to wash my face already. So, this is nice. Okay. And it comes with some little instructions in here on how to use, erase, and exfoliate. Okay. This is nice. I wish it was a little bit bigger. Just a tad bit. Like, you know, so I can like have a whole towel over my face. Not a, just I feel like if I put like some string on it, I can use it as a mask. For Halloween. Hey, DIY, put some string on here. I can act like I'm some tied up woman or something. I don't know. We do scary stuff for Halloween, okay? We like Halloween and we like scary in this household. So, and we DIY our Halloween costumes. But anyways, off of that little tangent, everything that I got in this box was really, really nice. I actually liked everything. This is very nice and interesting. I wanted to buy one of these, but I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna spend the money because I already have some, but definitely gonna try this and see if it's better than what I got from Walmart. Then there's Primera water cream. Definitely want to try this and see how my skin likes it. This lipstick is a very pretty shade on me. Definitely gonna be rocking this. I don't, you know, October is pink month anyway for breast cancer, so gonna be rocking that. Eye cream, nice. My skin feels good. My skin absorbed it very nicely, and it felt nice rubbing on with that circular tool instead of kind of like it looks like you know when you put like lip treatment on, not like moisturizer or chapstick, but like a lip treatment, it kind of has that, those eye creams have those type of applicators. This one felt really good. And then definitely want to try this mascara out and see if it's going to just make my lashes just pop. So yes. And eye mask, because you know we got to take care of our eyes, so this was a very nice deal too. So I liked everything out of my box. I'm just disappointed that I got it so late, but hopefully they could correct the issue so I don't have to cancel my subscription box, because I really do like this box. I like the stuff that I get in there. It's just, can I get my stuff on time, please? I want to be like the masses. I want to be with the crowd and be able to get my box on time and film my videos on time and, you know, stuff like that. It's about to be October. Hello. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.